Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You have admin access and a backup ready. Start now. First, close the Themes app and stop any active theme processes so files aren't locked. Once done, open Settings or the Package Manager and locate the Themes entry. Make sure to note custom assets or downloads you want to keep. You're taking these steps to avoid losing icons, wallpapers, or configs. Proceed immediately to the Uninstall command or UI to remove core files and dependencies. You're now removing the app and its supporting pieces. Use the Package Manager or Settings app to uninstall the core themes package. If you're on a command line, run the appropriate remove command. Once the package is gone, search user and system folders for leftover config files and delete them. This prevents old settings from reappearing. After that, check for theme engines or plugins and uninstall those dependencies so no orphan services try to load missing assets later. Finish by rebooting so the system clears cached theme assets and active services. You'll immediately see whether default visuals returned. If you saved custom wallpapers or icons, restore them now from your backup. If problems persist, like missing icons or crashes, reinstall the Themes app, then perform a clean uninstall, which often removes stubborn files. As a troubleshooting tip, check logs for permission errors and run a file system scan. Fixing permission issues usually resolves most lingering theme-related problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.